Okay, so out of the box, this is how your new switch plate is going to look. So the best way to do it is to lay it on top of your grill plate. You're going to start by taking this cover off. It just slides off backwards. This one just pulls out, go up. Just set those aside. You need a screwdriver. These might be tight, you're going to have to loosen them. Grab your motor wires. And the order is going to be black, red, white, green. Black for U, red for V, W for white, and ground. This is pretty simple. Start with black, tighten it up. You want to push it all the way in. Nice and snug, not going to move. Okay, after you get those, two green wires have to go together. Now the best way to do this is, you can see there's copper side where the wires are poking through. If you put one down and one facing up, they'll fit a lot better and you'll be able to get your screw a lot tighter, ensuring that they're not going to pop out on you. It's kind of difficult, but once you slide them both in, make sure they're both nice and snug under there, they're both even, and just tighten it up as much as you can without stripping the screw. Just like that. Give each wire a little pull, make sure they're not going to go anywhere. Grab your covers, this one just slides back in. Just like that. Now this one, there's two clips on each side and a clip up front. You gotta be careful not to break these, as you want this to stay snug. Best way I've found to do it is just slide right from the back in. You want to make sure that's not going to fall off in your vacuum. Nice and snug. That's all there is.